Lean manufacturing, a pursuit of perfection. Lean manufacturing is a systematic method for waste minimization within a manufacturing system without sacrificing productivity. It is a philosophy that aims to continuously improve and optimize the production process by eliminating waste, reducing lead time, and improving overall efficiency. The ultimate goal of lean manufacturing is to create a more streamlined and cost-effective production system that delivers high-quality products to customers. History of lean manufacturing. The concept of lean manufacturing originated in Japan, particularly from the Toyota Production System, TPS. The TPS was developed by Taichi Ohno and Eiji Toyota in the 1950s and 1960s as a response to the challenges faced by the Japanese automotive industry. The TPS focused on improving efficiency, reducing waste, and increasing productivity through the implementation of various principles and practices. There are several key principles that form the foundation of lean manufacturing. These include: 1. Value. Understanding and delivering what the customer values is essential in lean manufacturing. This principle focuses on identifying the specific needs and expectations of the customer and delivering products and services that meet those requirements. 2. Value stream mapping. This principle involves mapping out the entire production process to identify areas of waste, inefficiency, and non-value-added activities. By visualizing the entire value stream, organizations can identify opportunities for improvement and optimization. 3. Flow. Creating a smooth and continuous flow of work is crucial in lean manufacturing. This principle emphasizes the importance of eliminating bottlenecks, reducing lead time, and ensuring that work moves efficiently through the production process. 4th. Pull. The pull principle involves producing based on customer demand rather than pushing products through the production process. By aligning production with actual customer demand, organizations can minimize inventory levels and reduce waste. 5. Perfection. Continuous improvement is at the core of lean manufacturing. This principle focuses on striving for perfection by continuously identifying and eliminating waste, improving processes, and enhancing overall efficiency. Challenges of implementing lean manufacturing. While lean manufacturing offers numerous benefits, it also presents several challenges for organizations. Some of the key challenges include: 1. Cultural resistance. Implementing lean manufacturing requires a significant cultural shift within an organization. Employees may resist change, leading to challenges in adoption and implementation. 2. Resource constraints. Implementing lean manufacturing may require significant investments in training, technology, and process re-engineering, which can pose challenges for organizations with limited resources. 3. Sustainability. Sustaining the gains achieved through lean manufacturing requires ongoing commitment and continuous improvement efforts, which can be challenging to maintain over the long term. Lean manufacturing is a powerful philosophy that has transformed the way organizations approach production and process improvement. By focusing on waste minimization, value creation, and continuous improvement, organizations can achieve higher levels of efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. While implementing lean manufacturing may present challenges, the long-term benefits far outweigh the initial hurdles. As organizations continue to pursue perfection through lean manufacturing, they position themselves for sustained success in an increasingly competitive global marketplace.